Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to download and install the Bybit application on your tablets. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store on your tablets and make sure that your device is also connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search box at the bottom of the screen and in the search bar at the top type in Bybit and search. From the search results, look for this application from Bybit and then tap on install. Make sure that your tablet has enough storage space and your internet connection must also be stable. Once the application is downloaded, click on open and then you will be able to download and install Bybit on your tablets. That is how easy it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.